Introducing the award-winning Makinex powered hand truck, your universal materials handling solution. The Makinex powered hand truck lets you take control of lifting and loading equipment or bulky objects weighing up to 140 kilograms or 309 pounds with ease. Say goodbye to expensive forklifts and cumbersome licenses. The PHT boasts a 12-volt linear actuator for powered lifting. Control the arm reach with the lift handles and adjust the height effortlessly using the thumb switch. An 18-volt cordless battery will give you 50 lifts per charge with a lift height of 1.8 metres or 6 feet. Designed for one-person operation, you can load equipment directly onto trucks, vans or utility vehicles. No more risky two-person lifts, no more back strains. The PHT considers safety at every level with easily accessible brakes on the handle and a self-closing hook to ensure your load is secured. And when you're done, it folds flat for easy transportation and storage. Need more versatility? The PHT comes with a hook attachment, perfect for lifting water pumps, generators, air compressors and more. Plus there are optional attachments available like a forklift, sling and strap frame. Choose from optional nose extensions for extra reach, rough surface wheels for outdoor use and various attachments tailored to your needs. Let the Makinex powered hand truck do your heavy lifting. Charge up, lift more and transform how you work safely.